Have you ever wondered if you could tap into the vastness of AliExpress without the hassle of dealing with individual suppliers? If you've ever dreamt of dropshipping products directly from China without the complexities, then you've probably come across Spocket. But does Spocket truly work with AliExpress? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with a curated network of suppliers, primarily based in China. It streamlines the dropshipping process by offering features like product sourcing, order fulfillment, and shipping. But does it integrate with AliExpress? The AliExpress integration. While Spocket doesn't directly integrate with AliExpress, it does provide a similar functionality. Here's how. Curated supplier network. Spocket has a hand-picked selection of suppliers, many of whom source products from AliExpress. This means you can access a wide range of products without having to navigate the vastness of AliExpress yourself. Product sourcing. Spocket's search function allows you to find products based on various criteria, including keywords, categories, and supplier ratings. This is similar to how you would search for products on AliExpress. Product details. Spocket provides detailed product information, including images, descriptions, and pricing. This information is often sourced from AliExpress, ensuring you have accurate details for your customers. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order through your online store, Spocket forwards the order to the supplier. The supplier then fulfills the order and ships the product directly to your customer. This process is similar to how AliExpress handles orders. The benefits of using Spocket. Simplified process. Spocket streamlines the dropshipping process by handling tasks like supplier communication, order fulfillment, and shipping. This saves you time and effort. Quality control. Spocket works with suppliers who are vetted for quality and reliability. This helps ensure that your customers receive high-quality products. Branding opportunities. Spocket allows you to customize your packaging and branding, helping you build your own brand identity. Customer support. Spocket provides customer support to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Considerations and alternatives. While Spocket offers a convenient way to dropship products from China, it's important to consider the following. Limited customization. Compared to sourcing directly from AliExpress, you may have limited options for customization or negotiating prices. Additional fees. Spocket charges a monthly subscription fee and may also charge transaction fees. Alternative platforms. Other dropshipping platforms like Oberlo and AliDropship also offer integrations with AliExpress and similar features. So, does Spocket work with AliExpress? While it doesn't have a direct integration, Spocket provides a similar functionality by offering a curated network of suppliers who often source products from AliExpress. If you're looking for a simplified dropshipping experience with access to a wide range of products, Spocket can be a valuable tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.